Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Packpoint travel packing list app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Packpoint is a travel planning and packing list app designed to help users organize what they need to bring for any trip. Instead of manually creating packing lists, Packpoint automatically builds one for you based on your destination, weather forecast, trip duration, and planned activities. It's available on both iOS and Android, and syncs with travel apps like TripIt to generate packing lists instantly. The app's main feature is its smart checklist builder. You enter your destination, travel dates, and activities, and Packpoint creates a customized packing list that includes clothing, toiletries, gear, and essentials. You can edit items, mark them as packed, and share the list with travel partners. The app also adjusts recommendations based on weather conditions and trip type, making planning easier and more accurate. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, organized layout, and the accuracy of packing suggestions based on weather and activities. Frequent travelers find it especially useful, as it reduces the stress of forgetting essentials and saves time before trips. The integration with travel itineraries is another well-liked feature. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version has limited customization options, and features like advanced packing suggestions and custom templates require a paid upgrade. Some users also report occasional inaccuracies in weather-based recommendations or wish for more detailed activity categories. In addition, syncing across devices may not always perform perfectly for some users. In summary, the Packpoint app may be worth using if you want a reliable, automated packing assistant that adapts to your trip details and weather, helping you stay organized and stress-free while traveling. However, if you prefer creating your own lists manually or don't want to pay for premium features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.